What's up, guys? Welcome YouTube family. So in this video I'm just going to be explaining a trade that I caught on Nasdaq. Right, I'm going to be explaining my thought process behind everything and what I was waiting for and why I was waiting for those things. All right, so also I need you guys to bear with me as I am gonna be moving back and forth between TradingView and my trading and my Telegram channel, because that is where I was keeping the members updated as to what to wait for, all right, and why to wait for those certain things. All right, so yeah, let's get straight into it. So heading to the Telegram channel, we can see that this was Sunday that I updated the members, all right, what I was looking for and what I was waiting for. So this is Nasdaq on the daily time frame. So at the time, this is where it was. All right, so you can see that what I was looking for here, or what I was waiting for actually, I was waiting for price to take out this low, all right, and for price to close in on this imbalance. All right, so that is what I was waiting for. All right, nothing else. That is what I was waiting for. And on the 4-hour, this is how it looked like at the time. All right, so same thing, just refined. Right, you can see we did have a break of structure, which I was then waiting for price to retrace up into this region right here, right, to then look for shorts, but we didn't get that. I was waiting for price to reach into this POI, all right, which I was expecting for a reaction. All right, if I didn't get anything there, this would then be my next POI. All right, so let's head to TradingView on the 4-hour. So we can see the two regions which I did mark out was this one right here, right, and it was this one right here. Right, so that is the two regions which I was waiting for. Right, you can see the first one, price showed no interest in stopping there. Price just went straight towards my next POI. Right, so on the Telegram channel, I was just updating the members as to what to wait for. US30 Nasdaq, this was Monday. Yeah, no, sorry, still Sunday. No, Monday. Yeah, this was me looking for shorts. All right, so I did say that I will be looking at this region right here to look for shorts. All right, but we didn't get that. Price just went through. All right, as you can see, price just fell straight on. All right, so let's see S&P. If you guys look at S&P and US30, you will see the exact same entries as I'm explaining on Nasdaq. All right, so I want you guys to go look at that and see how what I'm explaining on Nasdaq you will find on S&P and US30. All right, they all did the same thing last week. All right, so this was the H4. Yeah, so what I was explaining here, or what I was showing the members, is that this is ICT's trendline phantom. All right, this is how they catch traders or retail traders on the wrong side of the market. All right, so some traders will go long on this trend line, all right, or they would wait for a break and a retest of that trend line to go short. All right, so how does it look like on the chart? So this is how it looks like. So like that. All right, so we would have traders that would have gone long right here, or they would have waited for a break and a retest of the trend line to go short. All right, so that is how they catch traders or retail traders on the wrong side. All right, so that is what I was showing the members right there, and that is just S&P. All right, and yeah, I do have a Nasdaq strategy and a beginner's course for those who are interested. All right, so just hit me up and I'll give you the details. All right, so anyways, moving on. So this is what I was waiting for. Once price reached into the POI, I said to the members that if they're unsure, they're not confident about entering at the very low, so the very low, which is this point right here, all right? So why would you enter right there? Well, as you can see right here, let me just remove this trend line. You can see that we do have a low right here, all right, which price has taken out. And if you look closer, you can see that we do have a ICT value gap right there, and we do have a large down close candle, which is a order block right there, right? So if you want confident to take this trade, all right, all what you would have done is just simply wait for one of these to appear, right? So let's see which one appeared right here, right, in our POI. So you can see that price has shown respect to that and price has pushed higher. So now this push higher should already indicate to you that we do have respect from the higher time frame POI, all right? So what you would then wait for is for price to retrace into a reasonable area as to where you can take long opportunities, all right? So once price retraced, all right, now on Nasdaq, which one do we have? We have this one right here, all right? So the blue is just your fib, which you would anchor from your low to the high, and then your 62%, which would be your entry, which is ICT's optimal trade entry, all right? So you guys can check that out. It is on YouTube, on his YouTube channel. So anyways, let's go back to Nasdaq. So how far can Nasdaq drop to, all right? You need to look for a reasonable place as to where Nasdaq might drop to, all right? So when we zoom in, we can see that we do have a gap right there. Let's make this black, all right, right there. And we do have a last down close candle, which is your ICT order block, all right there. And that was my entry, all right? So nothing too spectacular, right? Just waiting for what you're waiting for, right? Just, you need to know what you're waiting for, guys. Don't chase price, like I said. Now some people might ask, why didn't I look for shorts, right? Because my plan was to wait for long opportunities, right? Once I saw price dropping, I marked out my POI, right, and I waited for price to reach into that region. And then what I did was I just wait for one of these to appear, right? That's it. Nothing more, nothing less, right? So, and as you can see at that moment in time, you can see that Nasdaq has been dropping heavy, and this was my next POI, which we did not reach, right, because price shown respect to this POI, right? Let's head to the daily time frame, all right? You can see that price never reached there, right? Price respected this POI right here, all right? Let me just mark out that last down close candle. So this was the POI which price respected, all right? So let me just see what else am I missing. It is just right, it is just the entries. Yeah, so this is the H4, right? This was the screenshot that I sent the members, that we did take out the low, all right, and price has shown respect on that H4 order block, all right, and we can see that price pushed higher, and that was the retracement, and the entry was obviously at the OTE, all right? So let's just see right here, it's the 1 hour, all right? Let me just head to the trade so you guys can see what I'm talking about. And like I said, if you look at S&P and US30, you will see the same thing, right? Same entry, same everything, right? And you can see I used S&P as an example, right? You can see that price reached into the daily POI, the fib from the low to the high. We had a break of structure, right? And price hit the order block, and then that was the entry, right? Let me just see if I can show you guys. So this was the entry on S&P, all right, US30 and Nasdaq. So this is S&P. You can see that was the entry. This was US30, right? Now why does it, or you might ask, why isn't it a sniper entry? Well, that was because I was looking out for spread, right? Because sometimes the sniper entries might not trigger because of spread, so it's better to have drawdown or to learn how to handle drawdown than to always want to get sniper entries, right? Because you will miss most of your trades if you aim for that sniper entry, right? Trust me. And this was Nasdaq, right? I opened up 2 positions on Nasdaq, and this trade was also one of the members, right? You can see that was a trade that they caught also Nasdaq, right? So I am still in this trade, right, which I need to close, right? And you can see right here, right, there's the trade. So yeah, and this is how it looks like on a larger scale on all 3, which is Nasdaq, S&P, and the US30, right? You can look at those other 2 at your own time and see if what I'm explaining is true or not. You can see this is Nasdaq, right? That's the entry. This is US30, and this is S&P, right? So that is it, guys. Like, that's just what I was waiting for. Like, you need to identify where you're gonna buy or sell from, then wait for price to get there. Once price reaches into that POI, you then need to know what are you waiting for, why are you waiting for that certain thing to happen, and then enter your trade and let the market do the rest, right? So after you enter a trade, there's nothing else you can do. All you can do is just wait. All right, so that's it, guys, for today's video. I hope this video has been insightful, and I hope you guys took something from this video. So yeah, I'm not going to take a look at what Nasdaq is or might be doing right on this video. I'm going to be updating everyone in my Telegram channel. So if you want to see what Nasdaq might do, be sure to join my Telegram channel, as I will be updating everyone as usual. So I hope you guys learned something. Until the next video, I wish you guys a blessed week. Look after yourselves, be safe, and until the next video, guys, cheers.